Who has heard of that song, What a Difference a Day Makes? I can't remember the lyrics very well, but I think it's supposed to be like if you're having a bad day, wait 24 hours and the difference that a day makes is that you can have a really positive day the next day. I'm going to read it the other way around, in that yesterday was a very good day, very high energy, very excited about launching this new project is more how I see it. And today is not such a good day. I have Wednesday is my day with the boys, when I can work-wise take it off, which is more now than 50%, at least 75%. Last year it was like 25%, something I've really been working on to try and save and protect that day to have time with the boys. But massive kind of universe sending lesson in regards to the topic of presence mentioned yesterday, in that I've got my sister and nephew and parents arriving this evening to stay for a few days, sister coming to work, parents looking after kids, etc, etc. And I therefore had quite a few things I needed to get done. The house is an absolute mess. I need to cook a meal for tonight. Had one work thing I wanted to really quickly check. Didn't even get around to opening my computer. Wanted to take a shower. Just a few things that I needed to get done for myself. And therefore it was really hard. I did a really, I would say, bad job of being present with the boys, because I had expectations of other things I wanted to get done. I therefore wasn't present. Hang on one second, one of them is requiring me. I'm being called by them to the restaurant, which is a pile of sticks and some leaves from which they create mostly frites, which are chips, and apples. So they're two favourite foods for me. As predicted, I definitely haven't had time today to do the things that I wanted for me. And I've therefore not done such a great job at being present with the boys, because I fixated on getting the other things done and therefore was grumpy, annoyed, frustrated with them when they were just doing their thing and they didn't do anything particularly different to normal. So definitely the lesson for me is coming back to that presence thing, is like being in the moment. I think I probably would have done a better job if I'd have just been 100% focused with them. And then when potentially there was a window when they were playing together, doing something, building something, I could have then done something else that I had on my list, as it were. But I kind of always had that list in my mind and therefore wasn't present with them in those moments that I had with them. But the day is still young, it's 4 o'clock. So I'm recognizing that, and going to hopefully shift the narrative and be more present and go and eat some frites and some apple in their beautiful stick and leaf restaurant. Not sure what the value is for you, the listener, in this recording today, if not just that, what true presence is, what it means to you. And for me, the having expectations, I'm coming, my angels, I'm just coming. The having expectations of other things when being present makes it very difficult to be present. Voila.